A beeping sound from your Bradford White water heater is an alert signal indicating a potential issue that requires your attention. The beeping can indicate several different problems. Water leaks are a common cause, which might be visible on the floor or hidden in the plumbing. Overheating can occur due to a malfunctioning thermostat or heating element. Propane models may beep when fuel is running low. High water pressure fluctuations can trigger beeping, and some electric models beep when the filter needs cleaning. Many Bradford White water heaters have digital displays that show error codes to help diagnose the specific problem. The F14 error code specifically indicates that the air filter needs cleaning. This is common in electric water heaters when the system interprets a frozen evaporator coil as a filter issue. Error codes 7 and 8 typically indicate gas valve faults, which require professional attention to diagnose and repair safely. Always check your unit's manual or the manufacturer's website to properly decipher error codes and understand the specific issue affecting your water heater. When your Bradford White water heater starts beeping, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Next, perform a visual inspection around your water heater. Look carefully for any signs of water leakage on the floor or along the plumbing connections. For electric water heaters, locate the reset button on the top thermostat. This red button can resolve many common issues when pressed. Check your electrical connections. Ensure the unit is plugged in properly, and verify that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Reset the breaker if necessary. For gas water heaters, check if the pilot light is lit. If it's out, follow your manufacturer's instructions to relight it safely. A broken thermocouple is a common issue that prevents the pilot light from staying lit. This safety device may need replacement by a professional. If you see an F14 error code, this indicates the air filter needs cleaning. Remove the filter from the top of the unit, clean it thoroughly, let it dry completely, then replace it. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the beeping, or if you're uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, contact a qualified plumber for professional assistance.